students. Have a nice day to you all. How are you? I think you all are fine. Okay, now today we are going to move a new lesson. First of all, I have a question. What's the question? The question is, you have eaten different types of fruits. They have different types of taste. So what is the reason for these different types of taste? Think about these type of fruits. Oranges, lime, pineapples, lemon and tomato. So, when you are eating these fruits, you can feel a sour in taste. Sour. Sour means ambul rasa. So, when you are eating these fruits, you can feel a sour in taste. So, what is the reason for that? The reason is these fruits contain acids, different types of acids. That is the reason. So, and think about this one. Do you know sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate and milk of magnesia? Sodium bicarbonate is used as a treatment for bee sting. Bee sting මීමැස්සෙක් විද්දම අපි මේක sodium bicarbonate is used for as a medicine. මේක පාවිච්චි කරනවා ඒ මීමැස්සගේ විස අයින් කරන්න. Then milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is used for gastritis. When you are feeling gastritis, you can take a tablet of milk of magnesia. Then think about our soil. Sometimes soil gets acidity. So we can the farmers put lime water to recover the acids. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. So these are the two things. These types of things we called bases. So acids and bases. So what's your topic? What's your lesson? Lesson is acids and bases. You have to identify acids and bases in this lesson. So you know, if there is a sour taste in fruits or vegetables, those fruits contain acids, different types of acids, and these substances, these components contain bases. Mostly these components are like soapy in nature, sabang wage, slippery. When we rub these substances, it's slippery, listenama. So we can identify those. So in our home and our laboratory, there are different kinds of acids and bases. So you have to identify those. And also, there are some substances which do not show the properties of acids or bases. We call those neutral substances. What are the neutral substances? The main substance is water. and also the kerosene oil and salt water, alcohol, also neutral substances. These are neutral substances. That means in singular, neutral means udasina. Udasina dravya. Water, alcohol, kerosene and salt solution. So in this lesson, we have to identify acids, bases and neutral substances. Now we are going to discuss about activity 5.1, turn to page number 64 in your textbook. We have to do this practical to identify acids and bases. So you should know how to identify acids, bases and neutral substances. So let's do the practical. You can do it in your home. We have to collect some materials for these practicals. You have to take some shoe flowers. You know the shoe flowers in your home there are. I think there are shoe flowers. You can take those. And lime juice, diffusion, vinegar, vinagiri, soapy water, you know, and lime water. This lime juice and lime water. Lime juice means diffusion, lime water, homodiera. Then ash dissolved water. You can take some ash and dissolve it in water. Then common salt solution is in your kitchen. Then some water. First of all, you have to boil the shoe flowers. Boil the shoe flowers and prepare. You have to prepare solution. Boil the shoe flowers and prepare solution. Then take equal sizes of test tubes. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 test tubes and put 2 milliliters of each solution to the test tubes. Here, lime juice, 2 milliliters of lime juice, 2 milliliters of vinegar, 2 milliliters of soapy water, like this, lime water, ash mixed water, common salt solution and water. Okay, now you have to put 2 drops of, from shoe flower solution, you have to put 2 drops to each test tube. Okay, for the each test tube you have to put 2 drops of shoe flower solution. Then look at the color changes of these solution. So you can see after few minutes, you can see the lime juice and vinegar, a separate color, and soapy water, lime water and ash mixed water, separate color. And we cannot see the color changes of common salt solution and water because they are neutral solution. I have discussed previously about neutral solutions. So these two are neutral solution. We cannot see the color change. But here, lime juice and vinegar, what are those? Lime juice and vinegar contain acid. They are acidic solutions. So these two same color. That means you can see, if you do this practical in your home, you can see these two solutions pink color. And these 3 solutions, soapy water, lime water and ash mixed water, have turned into somewhat green color. So what are these solutions? These are bases, no? These are bases. Here, no color change. So, acidic solution, we can see the pink color. In bases, we can see the green color. In neutral solution, we cannot see the color change. So here acidic and bases solutions have given a different colors. So acids give same colors and bases give same color. So we can say the solutions or things that give different colors with acids and bases known as indicators. Call those indicators. Here we use shoe flower solution. So here in this practical, shoe flower solution is acted as an indicator. So we can find whether the solution is base or acid or neutral by using an indicator. We were talking about indicators. So what is the use of indicators? What are the indicators? Indicators are the solutions that give different colors with acids and bases. That means these indicators give us one color for acids and another color for bases. So we can identify acids and bases. And also these indicators, the colors of these indicators do not change when they are placed into neutral substances. So we can identify acids, bases and also neutral substances by using these indicators. So what are the examples for these indicators? Do you know? In previous practical, shoe flower solution act as an indicator. So in laboratory, we use different types of indicators. So main indicator is litmus papers. So we are using litmus papers to identify acids and bases in our laboratory. So there are two types of litmus papers, red and blue. So there are the litmus papers are like these. The papers. Some strips, small strips there. So red color and blue color. So these are red and these are blue. So there are two types, red and blue litmus paper. So we can identify acids and bases. So in the presence of acids, blue litmus turns into red color, and in the presence of bases, red litmus turned into blue color. So we can identify easily by using the solutions acids and bases by using litmus papers. So in presence of acids, blue litmus turned into red color. In the presence of bases, red litmus turned into blue color. So in the presence of neutral substances, the litmus papers do not change the color. When we talking about the indicators, there are natural indicators also. So in our previous practical, we have taken the shoe flower boiled water. That is a natural indicator. Other than shoe flower boiled water, there are a lot of natural indicators. So you can prepare these indicators in your home. Extraction of giritilla flower. You can take a giritilla flower and take some extraction. Then Nilkatirolu flower. You can take needle cutter flour and take extraction. Then arecanut boiled water. We can take some arecanut and boil it and we can take the solution. Then turmeric boiled water. You can take some turmeric and boil it. Then you can take the solution. Then red cabbage boiled water. So by preparing these indicators, you can take the different colors of indicators. So those indicators give one color for acids and another color for bases. So you can identify acids, bases and neutral substances by using these indicators. Here you can prepare these natural solutions and natural indicators in your home, and you can do activity 5.3. Here you can see activity 5.3 in page number 66. You can do this activity. First of all, you have to prepare. You can prepare turmeric boiled water and needle cutter extraction you can prepare. Then also you can prepare red cabbage boiled water. Prepare some 3 or 4 indicators and you have to take these solutions. Like previous practical, you have to take these solutions, lime juice, vinegar, soapy water, soda water, shampoo. You can use these solutions. You can put these solutions into test tubes. If you don't have test tubes, you can use some small containers and put same amount of these solutions and put 2 drops of each indicator for each solution. Then you have to record the color change and you can get some idea about what are the acids, bases and neutral substances. So after doing the practical, you have to classify these solutions into acids, bases and neutral solutions. So do it at home.